Hi to Parisia, welcome to my channel guys. Hopefully you're alive and well. So guys, in today's video it's going to be just a simple video. I've been doing this thing now for a while, so I'm going to show you what I've been doing with my hair. I've been trying this thing. This is a garlic water. I made it myself. It's very pure organic garlic water. It's also very powerful, especially if you're dealing with the shed hair. We stimulate your hair follicles and we make your hair grow very well. And also this is a test, so I'm going to try to use this garlic water at least for 3 months, and after 3 months I'm going to update you guys. If you have a shed hair problems, we also stop it. We minimize the shed hair problems. So that's why I've been using it for a while, but I just want to use it at least for 3 months. So after 3 months, then I know exactly if this garlic water really helps. If you want to know how I made this garlic water, please, you can go ahead and let me know on the down below. And also one thing, this garlic water smells very bad. So if you spray it on your hair, you have to make sure you cover your hair very well. Yes, please, let's start this video. As you can see, I'm dividing my hair into 4 sections. Raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C, which is good for promoting hair health. It also stimulates collagen production that stimulate hair growth. I'm giving my scalp a massage to stimulate the follicles. Sorry guys, I just cut some here and there because I don't want the video to be that long. I'm spraying more garlic water on my hair because I want the garlic water to penetrate my hair and also on my scalp. The percent of selenium in garlic helps stimulate blood circulation for maximum nutrition. A great massage on the scalp will stimulate the follicles very well. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria that are responsible for causing damage to the scalp, further inhibiting hair growth. I'm covering my hair with plastic bag and my body temperature is going to heat it up my scalp. Thank you so much for watching guys, and stay tuned for the updates. See you in my next one. Bye guys.